slow morning. We are in recovery mode from going back to our old town this weekend. I've had this congestion and this cough for a couple of days. So I slept pretty good last night. Haven't been coughing too much today, so that's good. But my nieces are wanting to play with the water table outside, so I'm going to get ready and head over there and play with them. This is a rocking chair that my dad made. So I'm gonna put it together. Rocking chair. Rock, 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 rock. Isn't that cool? Actually, oh my goodness, I put these on the wrong side. The prints are supposed to be on the outside. Oh, jeez. Now, there we go. Oh. Do you want to try it, G? Do you want to sit in it? Sit in it. Rock in it. Can you rock? Sit all the way back. Yeah. Rock, 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 rock. Do you like it? Lean back. Get your head back. And use your feet and push back. Back. She's not quite long enough yet. Tall enough? Not long enough. Aww. So cute. Do you love it? Yes. Oh, don't hit your head. So sweet. Oh, you need to see. There's the chair. Here.
More.
Oh, this way. Sit down. You want to watch yourself rock? Rocky rock, rocky rock. With your snack?
Rocky.
Rocky, rocky. This chair, I can kind of fit in it. Kind of. Oh. It's really comfy. If it was just a little bit wider, it wouldn't be bad.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, it is mine. It literally has my name on it.
I'm gonna sit in it. My one.
Wait, you already used it, and you have a marker without a lid. Go put the lid on.
My rocking chair. It's my rocking chair forever. No.
Lean back. Do you know how to do a rocking chair? Put your feet up. Nope, here. Now push with your feet back and forth, up and down. Up and down. No, put your feet on the ground. Flat on the ground. Like, no, flat. Yeah, like that. And then you push back and forward, back and forward, back. Yeah. That's a rocking chair. Yeah.
It's not your rocking chair forever.
It has my name on it, and it's going back to my house. You still have the marker without a lid. The stamp isn't working. Did you finish school?
Mommy said I could go look at this. But she wiped her shirt off and James' brother.
What did he do?
He peed out through his diaper.
Oh, that silly boy.
This is a fun rocking chair.
I know. Now you got it. Now you got it. This is not your water. Oh, it's a baby. You're so silly. Oh, now it's snack water. Oh my goodness.